this episode of Crack Chinese Character series, I'm gonna show you how to use Chinese radicals to form new characters and expand your vocabulary from beginner to advanced levels. Make sure to follow along and stick around until the end because we're giving away a Chinese radical guide to boost your Chinese character power 60 times and even more. They call it learning, we say it's fun. Welcome to Fun Mandarin 玩中文. 大家好, I'm Bryan. Let's do a quick recap. In our last episode, we looked at the difference between 字 and 词 in the Chinese writing system. We also ranked the top Chinese radicals based on 3 criteria, highlighting which ones to focus on first. Now, here's the question. How can we best use these S-tier radicals to create more characters and build more vocabulary? In this episode, I'm going to use this 部首字人 as an example to show you how to use the technique to form characters and enrich your word bank. Take a quick look at these 2 characters, 全 and 从. What do they have in common? That's right, they both have the 人 radical. 从 is the traditional character for 从. Its radical is 吃, so it is not included here. Now, we can use these 2 characters to form more words across different HSK levels. For example, with 全, we have 全家, 全球, 全世界, 全方位. With 从, we can form 从小, 从前, 从不, 从头. Apart from using 人 as a radical to form characters, like other 部首字, 人 can also stand alone or be combined with other characters to create compound words. Let me show you how we can use 人 itself to form more vocabulary. When 人 is placed at the beginning of a compound word, it functions similarly to an English prefix. In Mandarin, we call this usage 词前. Take the word 人口 for example. The character 人 means person, and 口 means mouth. When you combine them, 人口 refers to population. This does make sense because 口 represents the number of mouths to feed, relating to the idea of group of people. Here are some more examples of words starting with 人. 人生, 人家, 人力, 人权, 人工智慧, 人工智能. But 人 can also come at the end of a compound word. This is similar to how English suffix works. In Mandarin, we call this usage 词后. For example, 家人, since 家 means family and 人 means person. When you put them together as 家人, it means family members. More examples like 爱人, 亲人, 敌人, 军人, 艺人, 情人. There are a lot of Chinese idioms 成语 include 人 as well. For example, 人山人海, which describes a very crowded situation where a large group of people is as vast as mountains and seas. Another example is 人定胜天. 人定胜天 literally translates to human's determination can overcome anything. It shows how people's wisdom and strength can conquer natural obstacles and change the environment. One more example. 人云亦云. Yun serves as a literary character meaning to say, and yi is used in classical Chinese to mean also. Therefore, 人云亦云 means repeating what others say without thinking for yourself. Look, just by using 人, we've already got 21 different words and 3 commonly used idioms. But that's just the beginning. We can make even more characters and words using its varied form, 人. I've picked up 7 commonly used characters from each HSK level as examples. 做 信 保 一 深 偏 催 Notice something interesting? The varied form of 人 appears on the left side of each character. This pattern shows how this radical helps form new words by combining with different components on the right side. Got these characters with the 人 radical. Now I'm gonna use 3 of the characters as examples to show you how to expand your vocabulary. Let's start with 做. When we combine 做 with 家, gives us 作家, which means writer. The writer's work is called 作品. Here are some more examples that start with 做. 作为 作战 作对 Now, let's see how 做 is used at the end of compound words, such as 工作. Other examples include 叫做写作著作 Isn't it mind-blowing? With the 人 radical forming the character 做, we can use this single character to create many words, whether at the beginning or end of compound words. Next up, we're going to use the character 信 to create more words. 信 has multiple meanings such as letter and faith. When combined with 心, meaning heart or mind, it becomes 信心, confidence. Other words start with 信 like 信封 信箱 信用 信件 信 is also used at the end of many words. For example, 相信 相 means mutual or each other, and 信 means trust or believe. So 相信 together means trust. Other useful vocabulary with 信 at the end include 通信 自信 回信 深信 Now, let's take a look at the character 传. This character means to transmit or to pass on, like stories, traditions, or knowledge handed down through generations. Other frequently used words starting with 传 include 传说 传统 传真 传言 传染 We can certainly use 传 at the end of many compound words. For example, 宣传 相传 祖传 失传 As you can see, these examples originating from the radical 人 really highlight how powerful S-tier radicals are for creating characters and expanding vocabulary. While this applies to most traditional and simplified characters, some change radicals after simplification. Take the character body T, for example. In traditional Chinese, it's T. But in simplified Chinese, it's T. Quite a difference, right? The traditional T features the 骨 skeleton radical, while the simplified T uses 人 person radical. Since we're focusing the 人 radical here, why not try using the simplified T to form more words? Can you think of any? Share your ideas in the comment below. How about physical education, 体育? We can also use it in 体会、体操、体力、体面。体 is also used at the end of many words. For example, 媒体、个体、主体、字体。To sum up, once you've mastered the S-tier radicals, applying them to create characters and forming new words becomes a breeze. Just like the radical 人 I demonstrated in this video, following along would have introduced you to 60 vocabulary and 3 idioms all built around this single radical 人. To further expand your vocabulary with the 人 radical, check out our Chinese radical guide in the description below. It's designed not only to support those preparing for the test, but also to empower you to enrich your word bank. Before you go and download the guide, please like this video and share our channel with your friends. Your support will surely motivate me to keep this series going strong. 谢谢收看 Fun Mandarin 玩中文，我们下次见。